Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Hopefully we can get that timing chain cover / water pump issue all wrapped up today and get it all put back together so we can take that car out for a drive again. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell for the notifications. Thanks again. Alright, we got all the components for this, so we're going to go ahead and start putting it all back together.
That's all you need is to crack that. I'd be like sick.
Alright, Ed and I are going to pound this seal in so we get that in straight.
A little bit here. I think it sits up just a tad.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Touchdown.
Alright guys, something I'm doing here, I'm putting these studs into the block. They will help align the timing chain cover to where it needs to be on the block. Something that you can't see in this video is that there are also two alignment pins that the bottom bolts go through. It is crucial that you put those in because if you don't, the timing chain cover will be misaligned on the crankshaft and the seal won't seal properly to the crankshaft and you'll get an oil leak. So definitely be sure that those items are there and make sure they're in place when you put this back together so you don't get an oil leak. What I'm doing here is also very crucial because the oil pan sticks out past the front of the block on these cars. You need to put a little bit of sealer down in the corners where the block meets the oil pan. Again, if you don't do that, you'll probably have an oil leak right at that place. So be sure to to try to press a little bit of gasket sealer in there, and again put gasket sealer on that both sides of that gasket as well. what I'm doing at this point is I have the gaskets attached to the block, and then I'm also putting more sealer on top of that lower oil pan gasket to help seal that corner where the block meets the oil pan up so we don't have an oil leak. When you're putting the timing chain cover on, be sure to slide it on as straight as possible, and be sure those alignment pins at the bottom are pressed in correctly. It's also very important to put that on as straight as you can so you don't get any gasket slippage or anything like that. Anything along those lines will cause either coolant leaks or oil leaks. What you're seeing me do here is I'm putting the 4 bolts in through the oil pan up into the timing chain cover. This is where the pictures you took earlier can be a big benefit. Sometimes with these brackets, it's a little challenging to remember exactly which one went where, what hole they went into. So having a photo can be a great help. This was about 4 days between the time I took this apart and put it back together, and it did make it a lot easier for me to tell exactly where everything went. Just like that, we're done. Now we just gotta pour coolant in it and see if it leaks. Alright, it's pouring rain out right now, so a little bit later on when it stops, we'll take it out for a drive and let it get warm and make sure there's no issues. Right now I don't see anything, so that's good news. Alright, I'm tired after that job. Let's get out of here and go look at a car. Going to take a look at a '79 Mercury Cougar. I'm not counting on it being much, but we'll take a look at it. Oh, there it is, right up there. Gotta look out for the cactus here. Probably a rattlesnake or two as well. It's got 79,507 miles showing on it. It's probably right. The seats aren't worn horribly bad. Neither is the brake pedal. We'll pop the hood and take a look at it. I missed it when I opened the hood, but a rat just ran out of there. Let me know what you guys think of this car. Should we pick it up or not? This car's got an awesome smell to it. Take a look at the floors real quick. They're actually very solid. Just out of curiosity, I opened the hood back up again to see if our little friend is there. There he is. Alright, hopefully there's no issues with that when we take it out for a drive. I'm tired of working on it right now. Let's get out of the shop. Let's go look at a car. Crazy dog. That's Bo and Luke.
You got one on the ground.
Yeah.
So the steering's what I was talking about. You follow what I'm saying?
Yeah. Here, switch with me.
That's my good light. I just got it replaced.